A different kind of function Friday today. We are in Word, and I am going to show you how to use a function inside of a table in Word. If I had this case, sometimes I might just take out my calculator and add these four numbers up. But if these are things always changing and I want to be able to update it anytime I want, I would consider just putting in the formula right here in Word. If you go to Table Tools, Layout tab, go into Formula, notice I'm positioned where I want that answer, and then it does a very simplified function. You can do the sum from above or the sum from the left. If you don't want the sum function, you do get other options. They've got several options in here for you. But sum is perfect for me, and then I can choose a number format here, and I'll just pick the currency style and just say OK. And then there I have a result, and it's even formatted for me. Now this is called a field code. You may not be familiar with that in Word yet. It'll show up when you click on it. It shows up in this gray box. That's one thing that lets me know it's a field code. Also, if you right click on it, you'll see it has some field options there. So for instance, if one of my numbers above changed, I would want to update this field. These things are not automatically happening in here. I have to actually force it. So there I put in a new number and moved on from the cell, but unlike Excel where it's automatic, and here it's not. So again, right click on it and update the field, and then your result would change. It'll also do that as you save and you open and close your field codes update then, but if you need to ever force it, come in here. And then you can see what's going on behind the scenes with this toggle field code. And what that is showing me is exactly the function that I've chosen, and then the slash there, the backslash, shows a formatting code that I picked from that list. And then fields are enclosed inside these curly brackets. You may be familiar with this if you've ever done like a mail merge. Anyway, you can right click and go back and toggle those. You can get back in and edit it. You go to the edit field. It brings up this field properties, a little bit of an intimidating box here, but I'll show you. If you just click formula, you're back to that same box. Okay, that's it. Oh, if you like keystrokes, it's function key with the Alt F9 to go back and forth. Function key, Alt F9, back and forth. And also just if you adjust a number and you want to update it, let's do 1,000 something. And if I know I need to update it there, you can also do just F9 by itself if you like keystrokes. And that's it. Functions, formulas right here in Word.